Meaning of heftily.
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 Heftily. The word heftily refers to doing something in a substantial or significant manner, often with a lot of force or weight. For example, lifting a heftily weighted object would require a great deal of physical strength and effort. It can also refer to a large financial transaction, such as heftily investing in a company or making a heftily sized purchase. When something is done heftily, it indicates a serious level of commitment, effort, or investment. Essentially, it conveys the idea of something being done on a grand scale, with a considerable amount of energy and resources.